computer class. Today we are going to continue chapter 7, exception handling. The objectives of my today's topic are: you will learn the use of keyword finally, throws and throw. Finally, this keyword is used in a try-catch block which becomes active after all the try blocks have been executed. There is only one finally block at the end of the program that is must to be executed, but this block is optional in a program. Next is throws keyword, used by the compiler to generate a predefined error. Throw keyword, it allows the programmer to create a new error situation that is specific to the program problem. Means we can define our own errors. Now let us understand the use of these keywords with the help of a BlueJ program. Now here in BlueJ I am going to open the same program in which I have shown you the use of multiple catch blocks. See, first catch block, then this is your second catch block, and this is your third catch block. And now here I am going to make the use of finally keyword, FINALLY, and it should be in lowercase. There are no brackets along with it. Now here I will type down system.out.println, and you can write over here whatever you want to display at the end. So I want to display the final exception is thrown. I want to give this message at the end. I will close my bracket and close my finally block. Now what will happen when I will run my program? All the catch blocks will be checked, and whatever exception will match, that exception will be thrown, like in this case arithmetic exception. And at the end the finally block will be executed. You can see that it was an optional block because I haven't made it use at the beginning. Now this block gets executed irrespective whether any exception is thrown or not. Now I will compile my program, compile it, minimize it, and right click over here, then void main. See the output. Exception third was the java.lang.arithmetic exception divided by 0, and at the end the statement that I wrote in finally block is over here. The final exception is thrown. So this is the use of finally block, that it has to be executed irrespective of any exception. Now I am going to show you the use of throws keyword. Here I am going to create a new class named data, and then I am going to type my program, public class data, then public static void main, and then I'm going to use buffer reader class. So I'm going to write it in one line only, buffered reader, as we have done in the previous classes. Let me name it BF is equals to new B capital buffered reader R capital. It I will pass out the new class, that is new input, stream is capital, reader and in it I will pass system dot in. Now I will close my bracket and then at the end semicolon. Now I want to use the value of n. So int n. So n equals to integer dot then parse int in bracket the name of my object bf dot read line. It is a function and then semicolon at the end. Now I want to print the value system dot out dot print ln in bracket I will write down n and I will close my program. So for using buffer class I have to import a package import java.io.star. Now when I will compile my program, it will throw an exception. See, here it is java.io.io exception. So for this, I will write down over here throws IO exception. And then I will compile my program. So you can see now there is no error in my program. So this is the use of throws keyword. It is used to throw a predefined exception and your exception name is input output exception. Now I will run it, right click, void main, and here I am going to enter the value of n and that is 10. This I have entered and this I have printed. Now next program is to show you the use of throw keyword. Here I have created a class reasonError in which I have named the class reasonError extends exception. Exception is the main exception handling class and extends keyword means that this reasonError is extending this class. Means this is using some of the properties of exception class. When we have to use the properties of any other class, then we use the keyword extends. Now here public static void main throws reasonError, that is the name of the error. Then in try block I have written int pq p10 q0 r equals to p by q. Throw new division error. Now here the keyword is throw. Now it will create a new class known as reasonError, and here I have catched the exception reasonError with the help of object E. Now I am going to compile this program, minimize it, right click over here and you will see that it is written java.arithmetic expression divide by 0, and on a terminal window it has given that reasonError dot mean because my class name was reasonError and the error is at line number 10. So when I will click over here, it will take me back to my program. Students, do practice these programs on YouTube. Thank you.